If you need to copy and paste text messages on your iPhone, here's a quick and easy way to do it. Whether you want to share a message with someone else or save it for later, follow these steps. Open the app that you want to copy the text from. Let's open a note, for example. Open the exact text. From the top app, select the text you want to copy. After selecting the text, tap Copy. Now exit the app. To paste, open the Messages app. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Find the message, navigate to the conversation, select the text box, tap and hold in the text box, tap Paste. Your text will be pasted here. Additional tips. Use copy in other apps. You can copy and paste messages into other apps like Notes, email, or any other app that supports text input. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and share your text messages. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments below.